Welcome. This video gives the short summary of the play The Hour of Truth by Percival Wilde. About the author. Percival Wilde was an American author and playwright. He wrote novels, short stories, and one-act plays. After his graduation in 1906, he worked as a banker. He began writing plays in 1912. Percival Wilde chose to portray the values of life in his plays. His one-act play, The Hour of Truth, is a testimony to his craftsmanship where the three classical unities of time, place, and action are observed. The climax of the play develops rapidly and ends with a pleasant surprise. Summary of the play. The Hour of Truth is an intense psychological study of the corrupting influence of money on people. It shows how easily people forget their morals and upbringings when money is close by. The story tells that bad ones get punished and the good ones get rewarded. Robert Baldwin was an honest and upright man working under John Gresham in a bank. Baldwin's family consists of his wife Martha, son John, and daughter Evie. Gresham and Baldwin had been thick friends for over 30 years, and Baldwin had named his son after Gresham. Gresham had been arrested for misappropriation of money at the bank, and the bank was closed. Baldwin was supposed to testify against Gresham. Baldwin returned home after meeting Gresham. Baldwin informed his family that Gresham had offered $100,000 if he would utter the words, "I don't remember," in the court during the trial. The family members who were initially against Gresham changed their mind on hearing the huge sum offered by him. They tried to justify Gresham's act and urged him to tell a lie. They forced Baldwin to accept the money. Baldwin felt disgusted with himself and the attitude of his family members. Money changes many, but not Baldwin. Baldwin was not ready to tell a lie and accept a bribe. He rejected the offer. Mr. Marshall, president of the Third National Bank, visited Baldwin and informed that Gresham had confessed his crime in order to free him from betraying his trusted friend. Mr. Marshall offered Baldwin a job in his bank to reward him for the honesty and integrity. Thus, the hour of truth had dawned, relieving Baldwin of the heavy burden and guilt. Money brings with it isolation, punishment, deception, frustration, and the possibility of endless shame. This story has a positive dynamics. Thank you. Thank you for watching.